to Sammie's Toy Reviews! Hi guys, today I got the SHIFU Orboot! I can't wait to explore the world! Let's open it!
A globe with no boundaries or words, but wonders to identify the places with. The good old globe with a fun twist of augmented reality. The SHIFU Orboot. Let's explore this globe with Sammie.
Let's open this! Whoa, it's so big! How are we going to fit this?
Let's take out all this. These are the guide. Wow, you got this little passport! This is so cool! Here's the passport, the stamp, the guide, and the stickers. So we unbox the globe and it comes with a stand and then just attach it. Sammie, what do you think of this?
It's good.
You like it, Sam?
Yeah, and look, there's China.
Wow, good job, Sammie.
Yeah,
Let's
play. Let's go to China.
How are you doing? Meet the giant panda. I love to eat bamboo all the time. I live in the mountainous regions of central China. The forests there are lovely, cool and wet. Do you know we are considered a symbol of peace in China?
Tap on the light bulb icon to find out some cool facts.
I spend 12 out of 24 hours eating bamboo and eat about 28 pounds, 13 kilograms of bamboo each day. I can grow up to be 5 feet in height, and a full-grown male amongst us weighs as much as 300 pounds, 135 kilograms. My jaw and cheek muscles are so powerful that I can chew up an aluminum can. Less than 2,000 of us are alive in the wild because of deforestation and hunting.
Why did the inventor create the Rubik's Cube? Why, Sammie? Let's find out.
Yeah, let's find it on the Orboot. It's a Rubik's Cube.
Try.
Good job!
Yes!
One sunny Sunday, Shifu entered his dad's library. His favorite room. He found an intriguing book to read. Upon turning a page, he was surprised.
Next.
Emperor Shah Jahan built it for his beloved Mumtaz. The artifact wasn't there, but inside the Taj Mahal was a painting on the wall. A pizza! It surely looked out of place. Where can we find a pizza? Crack the clue by scanning the correct icons on the globe.
Pizza. Oh, here!
Italy, of course. Great.
Italy, of course.
Pizza and art, we go. Instead, he found a photo of a long, long wall. A very long wall? Where could that be? Na. The Great Wall of China, indeed. Shifu explored the historic wonder. On the way, he noticed an engraving. He quickly rearranged the letters. Oh yes, that's where I'll find the artifact. How exciting!
A pyramid!
That's correct. To Giza to examine the pyramids. He set course for Egypt and landed at Cairo, the capital. Shifu went in one of the pyramids and found the artifact with the help of locals. He took it home to add to his collection. It was a fun-filled day exploring. Now it was time to sleep.
I love this Orbot. Thank you, Shifu, for sending me this. Hope you like my video, and please give thumbs up and like and subscribe. Bye!